Ollama allows you to run AI models locally on your machine. This gives you full control over how and where your data is processed. In this lecture, you will learn how to integrate Ollama with Claude Code and create a hybrid workflow that combines the strengths of both local and cloud models. Ollama is a local large language model runtime. It runs directly on your system without requiring internet access or external APIs. It supports a range of models such as Llama, Mistral, CodeLlama, and others, depending on your needs. There are three main reasons to use local models. The first is privacy. Sensitive data stays on your machine and is not sent to external services. The second is cost. Running models locally avoids API usage and reduces operational expenses for high-volume tasks. The third is offline capability. You can continue working even without an internet connection. However, local models are not a complete replacement for Claude. Local models are better suited for simple or repetitive tasks. Claude remains more effective for complex reasoning, large-scale analysis, and high-quality outputs. The best approach is to combine both. To install Ollama, you use a system-specific installation method. Once installed, you start the service, which runs locally on your machine. After that, you download the models you want to use. For general tasks, a standard language model is sufficient. For coding tasks, a model optimized for programming is recommended. Once your models are installed, you can use them directly from the command line. You provide a prompt and the model generates a response locally. This is fast, private, and cost-effective for simpler operations. To integrate this with Claude Code, you define a hybrid workflow. In your project configuration, you specify when to use local models and when to use Claude. For example, you can route sensitive data processing and repetitive formatting tasks to local models. You can reserve complex analysis, architecture decisions, and critical workflows for Claude. This division ensures efficiency and quality. You can also automate this decision process. A simple script can route tasks based on their type. Simple tasks go to local models. Complex tasks go to Claude. Sensitive tasks stay local. This allows you to scale your workflows intelligently. For deeper integration, you can connect Ollama through an MCP server. This allows Claude Code to call local models directly when needed. In this setup, Claude becomes aware of local capabilities and can delegate tasks appropriately. Performance depends on your hardware. Local models require memory and processing power. More memory allows larger models to run. A GPU significantly improves speed. Smaller models are faster and suitable for most tasks, while larger models provide better accuracy but require more resources. You should also monitor system performance to ensure that local models do not overload your machine. Commands are available to check running models, available models, and system resource usage. The key idea is that Ollama complements Claude Code. Claude provides intelligence and high-quality reasoning. Ollama provides privacy, cost efficiency, and local execution. By combining both, you create a powerful hybrid system that adapts to different types of tasks. This approach gives you flexibility, control, and scalability in your workflows. In the next lecture, you will explore design integration and learn how to convert visual designs into working code efficiently. See you in the next lecture.